Come join me for a chat while we talk about the best pencil for layout planning and all your creative endeavors. Bob Johnson with PKNW Railroad coming at you with another video. This time about the best pencil I've ever used. So, in answer to the question that I'm sure you're asking, Bob, why should I give a fig about a pencil? I'm going to answer that with another question. Do you use one? Because I think the answer is probably yes. Sure, there are some people who make completely digital layouts, but that's probably not you. You're making physical models, you're making an actual layout, and that means you're an analog person. You take notes, you sketch track plans, you sketch plans for building your structures. You do things with a pencil. And so I'm going to recommend that you use the Blackwing pencil. Now, the Blackwing is a fabled pencil. It was introduced in the 1920s and quickly became popular with all kinds of writers and artists. Steinbeck wrote all his novels with a Blackwing. Chuck Jones, who invented all the Looney Tune characters, the cartoon characters, he sketched with a Blackwing. Many Disney artists used a Blackwing, and one of them is famous for saying, "Bury me with my Blackwing." It had that kind of a loyal following. When it went out of production in the 90s, devotees were paying up to $40 per pencil for one single wooden pencil. That's how much they loved it. Someone saw that as an opportunity and brought the Blackwing back. It's made with California cedar, graphite from Japan. It's the smoothest pencil I've ever used, so I highly recommend it. I got the matte, M-A-T-T-E Blackwing, which is the softest lead they have, and it is soft. In hindsight, I might have gotten the classic 602, and I'll probably order some of those. The other thing that's special about the Blackwing is this ferrule on the end. It really balances the pencil very well in your hand, and it has a square eraser, and the square part of that ferrule keeps the pencil from rolling. If you've watched my knife review videos, you know that's important to me. So these things are 25 bucks for a box of 12. It's a really nice box. The sharpener is a two-stage sharpener. That's an extra $10, by the way. The first stage shapes the wood. The second stage actually sharpens the lead and gives you a long, sharp point. So it's really a nice sharpener. I recommend that as well. Look, the planning process, sketching, layout diagrams, making notes, marking wood if you're a woodworker. These are all important things. Why do that with some school pencil that costs 5 cents when you can have a more satisfying and pleasurable experience and probably get a better result? You're going to spend top dollar on your paints, your scenery supplies, your models, everything else having to do with your layout. Don't ignore the planning process. Get yourself some Blackwings. Until next time, this is Bob Johnson with PKNW Railroad signing off. Keep on modeling.